Here I am going to explain how to fix the SUD error in the Powerform STM VTR washer. Especially if you are getting the SUD error in the Powerform Steam VRT plus TM washer, that is most probably due to the block filter. You can easily clean the filter in the washer as it is located in front of the washer right below the left hand side, as you can see now. To open this, first you have to push the knob here down by your finger. Maybe it is a bit tight, so it's better to use a screw to push it down and get it open, the cover. Once you pull the cover out, you have to carefully open this knob and remove the water sitting inside the washer. For that, please get a little bit bigger bowl. This is the place where the filter is located. Now I am going to remove the extra water, whatever sitting inside the washer. Okay, to do that you have to twist thoroughly like this, and most probably it may be tight, and you have to remove this one properly. Since it's gonna remove now, I'm going to give this water. Once you remove the knob, the water will come like this, and you have to keep it tight. Don't now I am going to clean the filter, and you will see how dirty it is. This is the one you have to do like this and remove it. Maybe some water should come, so I'm clean up it. This one properly, but some water may come up. Still, I expect, and you see how it's dirty. So you have to do cleaning at least 2-3 months. Once you have to do this is at least once 2 or 3 months. This is, see how it is. You may see, oh my gosh, see how dirty this is. See how dirty it is. This is why it's broken, giving the SUD error. If you see your kids' socks over there, there's nothing to worry. It's possible, it's still possible. See how dirty it is. All the things come here and collected here, all the stuff. So you have to clean this one first properly and fix it. Then it will solve your problem. Okay, once it is clean, now it is time to keep all the bags together. And this is the place you have to do. How you have to do is screw and tight it properly. Yeah, see, you have to tight it until you get this sound. Now this is supposed to go here and put it inside. Once you're done, all is clean. Then